Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to plant a blueberry bush and certain things that you should be putting in your soil to help give it the best chance to thrive. Let's go ahead and get started. We want to dig a hole about 1.5 to 2 times the diameter of our pot. And then we are going to do a depth about equal to the soil that's in there, and then we're going to put a little bit of amenities in the hole. We have our finished hole. I went ahead and set the pot in to test to see the depth. Now it is a little bit deeper than we need, but that works out because we're going to add some potting soil to the bottom. Let's go ahead and put some potting soil in, and then we will move on to what we need to do next. Most potting soils, like we just put in the hole, and our current ground is going to be close to 7 pH, at least in my area. And blueberries like more acidic soil, so we will have to use some soil amendments like this one. This is organic. It will make the pH of the soil lower. And blueberries like fairly acidic soil, around 5. So we're going to go ahead and sprinkle just a little bit in the hole, and then we're going to plant it, and then we're going to put more on top and around it. Now we are ready to plant this blueberry bush in the ground, and we're going to tip it up and just slide it. And I'm going to get 2 hands on it. We'll set the pot to the side, and we're going to set this beautiful blueberry bush down here. We're going to go ahead and get this soil bit up here. So we have some potting soil left. So I'm going to go ahead and backfill the sides because I want this to have nice soil. I'm out of the potting soil I had left, so I'm going to go ahead and get the existing soil, and I'm just going to break it up and add in there. We're going to go ahead and add some more of this organic soil acidifier. You probably should be using gloves for this, but I'm not going back inside. I'm just going to sprinkle. It gives you recommendations on the back for about 1.5 cups out to the drip line. Now that that's added, I've went and gathered wood chips. Wood chips are going to help keep weeds from growing around this and help protect the soil from drying out. I went ahead and just filled the bucket here up with them, and we will just move those around our little blueberry bush. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll leave links to blueberry bushes just like this one down in the video description. I enjoyed showing you all how to plant a blueberry bush and hopefully set it up for success. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.